Understanding place value will help you to add large numbers. Each digit in a number has a value. That value depends on the position or place in which the digit appears in the number. Here's a sample 5-digit number. From right to left, the values of the places are 2 represents the ones place, 6 the tens place, 2 the hundreds place, 3 the thousands place, and 4 the 10,000s place. These values make up this number. 2 ones are 2, 6 groups of 10 are 60, 2 groups of hundreds are 200, 3 thousands or 3,000, and 4 10,000s or 40,000. If we add these together, we get our number. When you write big numbers, such as 5 or even 6-digit numbers, put a space every 3 digits from the right. You can write a 4-digit number with a space or without a space. However, if you're doing an operation, it's best to use the space in any 4-digit numbers so the digit place values line up properly with any 5 or 6-digit numbers. Using the expanded forms of numbers is a good strategy to make adding big numbers easier. Let's start with the largest values of 4,000 and 2,000, which equals 6,000. Now our hundreds. 300 and 800 is 1,100. Now our tens. 110 and 410 is 5 tens or 50. And our ones, 5 and 4, is 9. Now it's much easier to add these numbers because of all the zeros. 9, 5, 1. Our total is 7,159. Is my answer reasonable? I'm going to use a nice number strategy to check my work. I'm going to make 4,315 into a nice 4,000. Because I like lots of zeros. I'm going to make 2,844 into a nice 3,000. So my estimate is 7,000. So yes, my answer of 7,159 is reasonable. Now let's use expanded form addition with this question. Again, start with the largest numbers. 4 10,000s and 2 10,000s equals 6 10,000s or 60,000. Now my thousands. 3 and 8 and 1,000 is 12,000. 100 and 300 is 400. 5 tens and 2 tens is 7 tens or 70. And 8 plus 5 equals 13 ones. If I add these together, my answer is 3, 8, 4, 2, 72,483. Is my answer reasonable? This time I'm going to use a rounding up or down to the nearest hundreds to check my work. So 43,158 rounds up to 43,200. And 28,325 rounds down to 28,300. 1,000 stays the same. So my final estimate is 0, 0, 5, 12, regroup 10, 72,500. So my answer is reasonable.